Imagebon 12 4K ADAS dashcam is equipped with a front camera capable of capturing footage in stunning 4K resolution, 2160p, complemented by a rear camera offering 1080p resolution. This dual lens configuration ensures comprehensive coverage of your vehicle's surroundings, enabling the capture of critical details, such as license plates and road signs with exceptional clarity. With an impressive 10.26 inch touchscreen and a wide 135 degrees viewing angle, the device provides an immersive viewing experience, allowing drivers to navigate menus and review footage with ease. Utilizing the upgraded H265 video codec, this dashcam optimizes storage efficiency without compromising on image quality. Compared to its predecessor H264, H265 offers superior compression capabilities, reducing storage space requirements by more than 30%. This enables users to record longer durations of high-definition footage without the need for frequent data management. The Imagebon 12 4K ADAS dashcam is its flexibility in accommodating different driving preferences. With the ability to select between left and right driving modes, users can tailor the device to suit their comfort and regional driving norms. Equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, the Imagebon dashcam offers real-time voice alerts to help drivers detect and avoid potential hazards. The Imagebon 12 4K ADAS dashcam offers a variety of display modes to accommodate diverse user preferences and needs. Whether utilizing CarPlay, Android Auto, or standalone dashcam functionality, users can choose from options such as full-screen front-rear view, split-screen displays, and combinations of map, music, and dashcam feeds. This versatility ensures optimal visibility and usability, catering to a wide range of driving scenarios and requirements.